इंडियन रेसिंग फेस्टिवल 2025 की शुरुआत मुंबई के एक ऐतिहासिक ड्राइवर ड्राफ्ट के साथ हुई। इस पहले ड्राफ्ट में 6 टीमों के लिए 24 शानदार ड्राइवर्स का चयन किया गया। इंटरनेशनल चैंपियंस, भारतीय युवा सितारे और अनुभवी महिला रेसर्स के साथ। खास बात ये रही कि क्रिकेट दिग्गज सौरव गांगुली की कोलकाता रॉयल टाइगर्स टीम भी है।
Special wishes and a lot of thank you to Akhil who actually makes this happen. All the effort he puts in, I know how much effort he puts in to get this going. Because it's not like cricket, so it's easier selling cricket than any other sport, and you must give credit to all, whether it's football, whether it's racing, whether it's hockey, the passion they have to get every other sport going. So. Our support, and I'm sure that's the case with all of us on this podium, to Akhil will continue, to the league will continue. We saw what it was last year, and there is definite progress made by Akhil and his team this season. So well done Akhil and all what you've done by putting this together.
RPPL के चेयरमैन अखिल रेड्डी ने इस ड्राफ्ट को भारतीय मोटर स्पोर्ट्स के लिए एक नई शुरुआत बताया, एक ऐसी लीग जो प्रोफेशनलिज्म को आगे बढ़ा रही है। नील जानी, रूल हाइमन जैसे दिग्गजों के साथ भारतीय सितारे और फ्रेंचाइजी मालिक जैसे सौरव गांगुली, नागा चैतन्य, जॉन अब्राहम, अर्जुन कपूर और कीचा सुदीप ने मिलकर इस लीग को नई उड़ान दी है।
It all starts from his vision. I think we're all happy and proud to be part of it. It's amazing to have people from across the country who come together to become the face of this league. I think it's a pan-India league. I think to have Kicha now part of it from Bangalore. I think it's just a growing league that needs love and support from the media today. It's very, very important to have them spread the word. जितना प्यार मिलेगा, जितने लोग देखेंगे, उतने यंग लोग इंस्पायर होंगे. It's a sport that is growing, it's developing. We would like to have our Indian drivers one day, and all the best to all the teams. John's got the best driver.
I think it's going to be exciting, as exciting for me as it's going to be for you or for anyone of us sitting here. So you all must go and watch it and encourage it.
Thank you, Akhilesh, for having Sudeep and me on board. We feel very privileged, and I'm actually happy that Sudeep's not here because I get to be seated.
Change in the basic perception of the general public as well, and there's been a lot of awareness. There has been increase in the awareness about the motorsport, firstly, and there has been increase in the interest towards the motorsport as well.
अगस्त से शुरू हो रहे इस सीजन के लिए टीमें तैयार हैं और भारत की रेसिंग को मिल चुकी है नई रफ्तार।